Hi guys! We're going to my Kawayan Complex para mag-jogging. I'm with my mama.
Hi guys.
Ang ganda.
Maraming tumatambay.
Tapos si Papa ang daming driver.
Alam ko kung ano to eh, pwedeng tayo ano
Ang aming bunso. Warm up muna tayo guys. Lakad-lakad muna tayo. Tapos na tayo mag-stretch. Sexy ni mama. Naka-outfit. Pa-crop top. Sexy. Water break. Yung water bottle na gamit ko is yung Chetso. So, dalawa siya. Merong straw and yung walang straw. Bagay ito pag marami kayong kasama. Like your family. So, dito si mama. Sa kabila si papa. Tapos ako yung pinakabukas. Diba? Sobrang sulit. Kaya natin ang water. So, this is the third round ng pag-ano ko. Ang target ko is 4 to 5 rounds. Let's see kung gano'n pa kalakas. And guys, this is our 4th round. So, ito na lang siguro yung pinaka-last round ko. Hingal ako, be. So, it's already 5:21. So, sakto. Parang 1 hour walk and run tayo. Yes, guys, cool down na tayo. And I'm so happy na nakapag-jogging ako ngayon. Kasi I do believe talaga na health is really wealth, no? Walang kwenta yung pera natin kung pinapabayaan natin yung health natin. I am a insurance advisor and financial literacy advocate. So, if you have questions about insurances and health insurances, PM me guys, and kino-coach ko din yung mga ibang Filipino family para maging aware how to manage their money and investment. So, message me guys. And yung mga health insurances that we have is critical illness, hospital income benefit, tapos lahat ng parts ng katawan mo is insured. So, ang sarap sa feeling no na ikaw pinapahalagan mo yung sarili mo. Lahat ng parts ng katawan mo is insured. So, you are ready also sa mga uncertainty of life. Hindi tayo, yes, we need to focus sa present moment, but we need to prepare also in the future para hindi magsasuffer yung mga family mo in terms financially. Sa mga nagtatanong naman guys na mahal ba yung insurance? Hindi, kasi 3% lang ng coverage mo yung i-invest mo or yung babayaran mo. So example, 1 million ng coverage mo. 3% lang naman yung i-invest mo. Mas mahal guys pag wala kang insurance. Mas malaki yung gagastusin mo. Yun lang. So, thank you for watching this vlog. Finish line.